Mr. Mohamed Farah, who is representing particularly the handicapped, and we haven't heard much about that today, to say a few words and then we'll close up. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. I'm called Mohamed Farah, and I'm glad to speak in front of you. Also, I wanted to thank for UK government, United Nations, and Somali government for inviting me to come here to participate in this fruitful meeting. I wanted to say one thing that I have already yesterday put my effort in the pre-event meeting that we held yesterday, FCO. I'm representing Somali Disability Empowerment Network. It's an organization, is a non-profit organization that works and assists the rights of disabled people. As we are aware, persons with disability in Somalia and many other countries like African countries and developing countries face huge challenges that resulted in their exclusion from the mainstream of the society, making it difficult to access the fundamental rights like economic, social, political, and cultural rights. So I would like and request that this platform to highlight the issue of those unreported histories, or the issue of those people with disability that usually are segregated in every table. So that I request you to add the communique, either tomorrow meeting or today, this issue for disabled people. In Somalia, people with disability are estimated 15% as WHO report. So those people, they are a grave number. And we need to highlight or to address those people, to include and make it inclusive in every platform like these things. So thank you for allowing me to talk. Thank you.